rusty tailgate. The horn don't blow, windows don't roll, paint starting to fade. And anyone else would just call it a day. Pull the battery out and haul that old thing to a junkyard grave. But not you, 'cause to you that truck holds the key to your life. The girl that you love, 'cause it caught her eye. She's been riding shotgun since she climbed inside. And that truck gets you back and forth to work, to pay off that house and get your kids to church. You'd be nowhere, just another man stuck without that truck.